This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Must be 55 years plus and have a credit score of 700 plus to live in High Point. Nicely located unit with the nature preserve to the back of this condo. FL room windows were replaced by owner with the new sliding type. Air conditioner system changed in 2022 along with some plumbing fixtures replaced. Owner and association require a minimum of 90 days tenancy for this seasonal rental. Available for occupancy by December 1, 2025 through April 31, 2026. This condo is on the market for sale and any tenant will need to allow time for any showings for potential buyers while in occupancy. If you want a great place to escape the cold northern weather, this is it. Call now to arrange a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.